clear. Clear urine contains very little pigment and appears almost like water. It usually happens when the body has more fluid than it needs, so the kidneys release extra water to keep balance. In many cases, it simply reflects high hydration after drinking a lot of water or fluids. When it appears consistently over time, it can also mean the body is being overdiluted, but most often, it is a normal response to intake. Yellow. Yellow urine is the most common and generally considered the standard range for healthy hydration. The color comes from a natural pigment called urochrome, which is produced when the body breaks down old red blood cells. The shade can vary from light to darker yellow, depending on how much water a person drinks during the day. Orange. Orange urine can appear when the urine becomes more concentrated or when certain substances pass through the body. This can happen with dehydration, but also with some vitamins, foods, or medications that temporarily change the color. In some situations, it may also reflect changes in how the liver processes bile pigments. Because the causes can vary, the context around the color is important. Red. Red urine is one of the most noticeable changes and can be caused by different factors. Sometimes it comes from food pigments, like beetroot or berries, which pass through the digestive system. In other cases, it can be related to blood entering the urine from the urinary tract. Because of this wide range of causes, red urine is usually something that requires careful attention and evaluation if it is unexpected. Blue or green. Blue or green urine is rare and often surprising when it appears. It is most commonly linked to certain medications, food dyes, or specific bacterial infections that affect how pigments are processed in the body. These colors are not part of the usual range of hydration-related changes and usually have an external or unusual internal cause. Brown. Brown urine often looks similar to tea or dark cola and usually indicates a higher concentration of waste products in the urine. Severe dehydration is one possible cause, as the kidneys conserve water more strongly. Certain foods, medications, or medical conditions affecting the liver or muscles can also influence this color. When it appears suddenly without a clear reason, it is generally considered a significant change.